My king oyster mushroom video had such a great response. Actually, people are asking for recipes. So my recipe is inspired by the cold weather. Since we had -28 wind chills, what do? You turn on your oven. So this is going to be stuffed with a rice mixture with a little sherry and egg on top. So let me pull my hair up and I'll show you how I make mine. Let's pull out your knife and let's hollow out the middle of the mushroom. Make sure you don't touch the bottom. Make sure you don't throw away the flesh because we're going to dice this up along with 1/3 of an onion and we're going to saute it in some olive oil. And you could use any oil you want. Walnut oil is also good. Let's add to the pan 1/3 cup of rice or any grain, so couscous or whatever your preference is. Okay, I saute over medium heat. I don't want the onions to burn, and I just want to get them soft. Now, time to add salt and pepper. And when they're done finishing sauteing, the secret now is a 1/2 teaspoon of cooking sherry. Oh, the aroma and the taste. The secret of using sherry or any wine is turn up the pan a little bit so it's a little higher because you want it to hit and steam in there. Time to stuff the mushroom. I just put it in the middle of the pan and I firmly pack it in. Now you have some options. You could just put a slice of cheese on here and bake it. Or I like an egg with a runny yolk. So I'm just going to separate the yolk from the white and just pour the white in and bake it in the oven until it's cooked. Okay, now put a little oil, I guess about a tablespoon or more, in a baking dish. Put the mushroom in there, and I coat the sides. Now you could add any flavor you want to the side of this mushroom if you want. Preheated oven, put the mushroom in there, and I bake it at 400 degrees, and it took me about 25-30 minutes. I'm just smushing this down to make room for a yolk. So put your yolk on top, put it in the oven, only takes a couple minutes. And I actually put it on the broiler sometimes. And then we're done. This is another recipe for the king oyster mushroom. I love a yolky egg when I cut into this, and it's just a delicious brunch or breakfast.